welcome back to my channel. Well, Christmas came a little early today, this year, but as you can see, I am standing in the new workshop. So I'll show you around. But he left a lot of stuff behind, so some of it I'll have to get rid of. But this is the upstairs. This is where all the resale is going to go. But up here I'll probably wind up putting a wall right here, because it looks like that's what he was doing. But yeah, he left this table, glass, I don't know what this stuff is. I'll have to look at it. Looks like a VCR or something, another VCR, some cable boxes, you know, just odds and ends. There's a lamp. You know, I could leave the lamp up here, but, and then mattresses, which I'll toss out. Table, I'll toss out. You know, so yeah, there's another table. But then there's, he said there was a kids thing up here, right here. There's a fan. I got another fan. I know you guys probably can't see down there, but let's take a walk downstairs. But yeah, some shelving, which I might put mine up there and move that shelving over besides the stairs right here. Something. Or, since there is enough room, I can use this to get back into the workshop, which is a possibility. You know, anything's a possibility. Unfortunately, there's no light. But he left me tire chains, these saw tables, this compressor, this futon. It turns out into a bed. This huge ass I-beam. But I have a feeling I know what I'm going to do with that. Sell it. Extension cord or something. And there's that. Some scales right here. Safety glasses. Some screws. But yeah. Another metal cart. That's probably all going to go to the scrapyard. See what's in here. lights to a vehicle. Don't know what kind, but I'll look it up, sell it. And we got this. But, and then these things right here. But I will show you guys everything. But it'll probably be time to figure out, because I need to figure out what I think I know what I'm going to do. It's just going to take a little work to do it. So, yeah. I got some more shelving uprights right there, so I can move these around, get rid of this, put my tall ones here, put a tall one there, and then put one of these going across the door to block most of the door. But yeah, we'll see what we can do. But this is my new shop. I got a lot of work to do. So, oh, part of an extension cord. No extension cord. But yeah, I'll clean off these shelves, get them to where I need to go. Probably take this section down, these two sections down, and put them, maybe moving this one out a little bit, putting one going across this way, and then put the other one going across this way. So this will be like a little cove. But yeah. Oh wow. That's a welding table. I might even be able to sell that. That is a pure, that's a heavy welding table. So I'll put that up for sale on Facebook Marketplace. These tires, don't know. But yeah. Little junk truck. But yeah. It's a piece of wood. What was that noise? But yeah, I'll figure out what to do tomorrow after work. I will come over here and start cleaning off the shelves, get things moved. But yeah, we'll get this place together. Find out how big that section is right there. But this back here is where I'll be doing all my work. Oh, what is in here? Oh, some kind of, oh, it's a tool case of some type. Oh, it's for cookingware. Oh, I could probably sell the case. But yep. But for now, what I'm going to do, my rims, these were mine. These rims were mine. He was nice enough to let me put these in here. So, yeah. We got some work to do. But we'll get her done. Yes, we will. Some more uprights. I wish there was some other shelving. But yeah. I'll be good to go. Yo ho ho. What's that? What's this? Looks like a heater. Might have me a heater. Got me 2 air compressors. We'll see. I know this one runs. He had it on. But this screw down here at the bottom needs to be tightened up. So, yep. There's some good stuff in here. But he offered come and help me clean it out. I was like, dude, this is what I do for a living. So yeah, I'll sell this beam, and I have the perfect person for that. I don't know if he wants it, but I'll take pictures of it and see what he says, because that's one long I-beam. That's probably like 2, 3, maybe a $400 piece of iron in the store. Well, yeah. So we'll get all this taken care of and get it out of the way and put my resale stuff upstairs and then go from there. So, but yeah, a little bit here, a little bit there. But I do need to text him to see if he ever found that bulb changer. He said he had a bulb changer for that, but I'm not seeing it. A broom, a chandelier, some other miscellaneous stuff in the corner. Oh, he did leave me the light. There's this right here. He would just snap it on there and the light won't go off. I'm sorry that this lighting is a little bit, you know, off, but we got a lot of work to do. A lot of work to do. But yeah, one there. Put that over there, that over there. And then have my little work area back there. I think we got this. Yep. But take one last look. Got a lot of stuff to go through. But this is the safe. I don't know if you guys can see that very well, but I'm going to put that in here, and I'm going to go down and push that AC unit up into the shop here, and I will take care of it tomorrow. So, and again, I probably had my thumb on the damn mic. So, I hope you guys enjoyed the new shop tour. I wasn't expecting this tonight. You know, it's 2 days ahead of schedule. So, but like I said, we got a lot of work to do and we got to get it done fast. So, hopefully you guys will enjoy the, excuse me for a minute, I'm just trying to see if I'm blocking the mic. But yeah, so we got a lot of work to do, and the work starts tomorrow after work. So, but I definitely need to get a brighter light. Yep, brighter light, here we come. So I hope you guys stay in. Hopefully you guys will stick around and watch me clean up this mess. So, as I always say, scrap it right, and make that money. Peace. Later, Gators. GoPro, turn off. I'm not used to these voice commands. GoPro, stop recording.